Namaste. Nowadays, kids are mentally busy rather than physically. Studies are showing that young children are getting exposed to too much screen time, resulting in negative effects on their development, memory, and attention issues. So, we as parents should engage them in physical activities. One among them is yoga. Practicing yoga for kids is very important, which helps in their flexibility, physical growth, immunity, stress, mindfulness, concentration, and many more. Today, Athav and Ejur are going to show few yoga poses for kids to do on daily basis. These yoga poses are mainly for flexibility, concentration, and balance.
Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Sayatur Biraju. I am Sayatur Biraju. Thank you for watching our all videos. Do you know what we are doing today? We are doing a short video on kids yoga. Yoga is an art and science of healthy living. It means to connect, join or balance. Yoga is good for kids. It improves concentration and flexibility. Let's start with warm-up exercise. It loosens muscles.
Let's start with arm rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Boxing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Forward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. The first yoga posture is mountain pose. It is done by raising your heels. Raise your heels to the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. It improves balance. This posture improves balance. Can you raise it again? Can you raise your heels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Relax. The next yoga posture is chair pose. This improves kids' concentration and balance. This is done by bending your knees and raising hands straight. Can you bend your knees now? Slowly raise your hands to the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax. Bend your knees again. Raise your hands straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. The next yoga pose is crescent moon pose. This again improves balance and concentration and awareness of the body. This is done by bending sideways with the Namaskara position. Can you do it now, kids? Bend to your sides. To the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Can you bend again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This can be done on either sides, which improves the flexibility of the body. The next yoga posture is child pose or balasana. This is useful for calming our mind and nervous system. If done before sleeping, this is very good to induce better sleep. This is done by first sitting in Vajrasana and slowly forward bending and stretching our hands to the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Again, bend forward. Stretch your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. The next yoga posture is downward dog yoga pose or Adho Mukha Svanasana. It has several benefits like calms the brain, helps relieve stress and mild depression. It energizes the body, strengthens the arms and legs. It is very good for kids for their body growth. It strengthens the arms of kids. This is done by first sitting in Vajrasana and lifting the hips and bending forward, stretching your legs and hands to the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax. Again, raise your hips, bend forward, stretch your legs and hands to the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be in the same position. It should be in the same position. And slowly relax. The next yoga posture is happy baby pose. It calms the brain, relieves stress and fatigue, reduces stiffness in back and hips. This is done by lying on your back straight, bring your knees towards your chest, flex your feet and show the soles of your feet to the ceiling. Bring your hands outside the foot and grasp the foot. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and slowly relax. Can you do that again? Bend your knees to the chest. Hold your feet to the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax slowly. The next yoga posture is butterfly pose or Baddha Konasana or Titali Asana. This restores and calms the mind and relieves the stress. This is done by sitting on the floor, back straight, bend the knees and bring heels close to the pelvic region. Drop the knees to the floor and hold the toes of the feet. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax slowly. Stretch your legs and hands to the side. Can you do that again? Bend your knees and bring heels close to the pelvic region and hold the toes of the feet. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back straight. This is very good asana for concentration, body balance, flexibility. The next yoga posture is ragdoll pose or Baddha Hasta Uttanasana. This is very good for flexibility, relieves stress and calms the mind. The steps are: stand straight, bring the torso down trying to touch the floor, bring the arms interlocked at the elbows, close towards thighs, allow the head, arms, shoulder and neck to hang loose. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Bend again. Interlock your arms. Allow your head, arm, shoulder and neck to hang loose. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. The last yoga pose is corpse pose or Shavasana. This brings the body to a meditative state. It relaxes and calms the body and reduces anxiety. It improves concentration and memory. It increases level of energy and it has various other benefits. The steps to do is lie flat on the floor and be comfortable. Close your eyes, place your legs apart. The steps to do corpse pose or Shavasana is lie flat on the floor, be comfortable, close your eyes, place your legs apart and hands apart.